The KEENSTAR 20-bar espresso machine boasts a professional 20-bar pressure system that ensures a rich and aromatic coffee experience. This versatile machine allows you to enjoy both hot and cold brew options, catering to a variety of coffee preferences. Its compact design with a stainless steel finish adds style and durability, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen size. Featuring a powerful milk frothing system, it enables you to create creamy microfoam for exquisite milk foam art. The touchscreen interface simplifies operation, ensuring you can brew your favorite coffee with just a single touch. With its advanced heating system, the espresso is prepared quickly, allowing you to savor your coffee without delay.